I'm very happy to greet you today at this high-level meeting on the food trade agreement between Africa and the EU. We have very intense agenda, so I would suggest we start right now with the presentation of positions from the two sides.
I would like to thank you all for coming to this meeting, and we are very pleased that we can finally discuss what we hope will be the final round of this negotiation on the free trade agreement between the EU and Africa.
I haven't heard from our EU partner, the delegation, on this agreement position. We have three common grounds to actually agree with you.
We have 15 minutes to work on this final text of the agreement, so I suggest we start working.
The agreement takes into consideration the impacts on food safety, environment and human rights. As we have discussed before, this is common grounds for both delegations. We would like to take out this sentence because we have actually no reference to scientific findings to include in the draft text. We would prefer maybe not to have this on the text, maybe having this as an annex or as a reference, but not in the final agreement, because this is going to last for years to come, and the report of the World Bank surely is going to be updated.
I think it's very important. The evidence is very important.
So this is crucial for us. We absolutely want to encourage as much investment as possible.
Because we are negotiating on behalf of 28 member states, so any trade agreement is going to be enforced on 28 member states. We don't apply exemptions.
I think we should be able to limit the importation of food products already abundant in Africa, so that we don't have conflict.
This article for us is a bit problematic.
Well, the conclusion is that it is very hard to look at all these elements together. You started, especially in Europe, quite good with comparing the notes completely open to what the stakes are. What you failed in is to mix to each other and send out some informal people to find out what was in their notes and to see whether there was a constructive way out. When discussing the text, I think you were quite creative in finding words, sometimes like what is happening in real life, that it is getting vague, and but everyone agrees to the vague text.